Honey, hey, where's mommy? You want to come down? Oh, here they come. Yeah, Papa hold you. Papa hold you there. Oh, they hold on, I'll take picture.
Okay. Oh, dear. Did you see the chicken?
Well, that's it for us. Thanks for coming, everybody. We sure do appreciate it when people enjoy our music. Now, if everyone of you could get up and shake your tail feather, we might be able to distract that farmer and skedaddle out of here. And if that doesn't work, well, we'll just see you at the next show.
Chicken. 我不知道哦。
可以啊。
我的家门的 chicken， 我的烤的 chicken， 烤的 chicken。关了没？关了没？
Well, that's it for us. Thanks for coming, everybody. We sure do appreciate it when people enjoy our music. Now, if every one of you could get up and shake your tail feather, we might be able to distract that farmer and skedaddle out of here. And if that doesn't work, well, we'll just see you at the next show.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up, bounce. Hey, hey. Stand up. Hey, look at the chicken. Ah, a lot of chicken.
There's Kizzy.
Kizzy, Kizzy, look at the chicken. So many chicken. We're not catching a chicken. You'll get hurt. Real chicken. Casey, can you ask chicken to sing? Tell them to sing. Sing like those chicken. Boy, nice chicken, nice chicken. They all coming. Oh, you want? I can buy some food to feed them.
Yeah, sure.
Let's see. Get a quarter. You have a quarter? Yeah, just get some food here. Just get some food here. Yeah. You like chicken?
Yeah, I like the fish.
You like to feed the chicken? Boy, they all come in.
Yeah, more. Don't put in there. Put more in there. Oh, wow, this one coming out.
Come here, you can touch. Touch chicken.
Oh, okay, first.
Oh, there's more coming out. That big one.
Oh, they all come out.
Touch it. Touch it, you can touch it. Real chicken. This is real chicken.
feet directly. Yeah, you just put in there. Because
Oh, this is coming out. This guy is coming out.
yeah.
Maybe Kung Kung can hold you for you to touch. Hello, Casey. 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 Hi. Hello. Hello.